Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Armada trunk. First, ensure your vehicle is in park for safety. Then, locate your key fob and press and hold the trunk release button. You'll hear a chime and the hazard lights will flash, indicating the latch has disengaged. Finally, gently lift the exterior handle on the liftgate itself to fully open the trunk. It's a straightforward process for quick access. Sometimes you might need to open the trunk from inside the vehicle. You can do this by pushing the power liftgate switch located on your instrument panel. If your vehicle battery is discharged or the power liftgate isn't working, there's a manual override. Remove the cover at the bottom of the inside of the liftgate to find a lever. Move it to the right to open the trunk. Many Nissan Armada models come equipped with a convenient power liftgate. You can open or close it by pressing a button located directly on the liftgate itself. This feature often allows you to customize the opening height, which is perfect for garages with low clearances. Some newer models even offer a motion-activated liftgate, letting you open it with a simple kick under the rear bumper. If your Nissan Armada trunk isn't opening, start by checking for any physical obstructions that might be blocking its path. Also, confirm that your vehicle's battery has sufficient power, as a low battery can affect power liftgate operation. If issues persist, refer to your owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and specific information pertaining to your Armada model. This will provide the most accurate guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.